Yo, what's up, morning guys? April 3rd, 2024. Today is day 313 on the road. And check it out, we just arrived to
Garden of the Gods.
All right, see this rock on the left? That's Gray Rock. This rock in the middle is South Gate Rock. And this one right here on the right is North Gate Rock. In the middle, Pikes Peak. All right, so the ranger here at Garden of the Gods said this type of dinosaur was the only type of dinosaur that was found, and it is found here. Let me see.
So good.
That's sandstone.
Let's compare it to sandstone. It's hard.
This is the entrance coming in from the visitor center.
I want to take a video for our Instagram stories, but I'm making Nutella sandwich, so priorities first. We just parked at the main entrance and we're going to walk all the way here so that we could see all the rocks.
Your shoes untied.
Where?
I made you look.
Jasmine! Garden of the Gods. So we parked right there. Now we're right here. Now we're just gonna explore this little area.
So right now we're walking on the path between 6 and 13. 6 is the Tower of Babel, and then the 13 is Southway Gate Rock. No offense, it's nice and everything, but with just like us, we came from Canyonlands National Park and Arches. The wow factor is not really that much. So right now, off to the most wow factor, Costco.
We're gonna go hike at Costco. The one good thing about this park, it's free and everything's paved, so it's accessible. First we went to Costco, and now we're at Trader Joe's, and then next we're gonna take my wife outlet shopping. Empty-handed. Outlet at Castle Rock. Yo, check it out, guys. We just made it to our home for the next 2 nights. We're here at Chatfield State Park here in Littleton, Colorado. We got a pull-through spot.
We got a fireplace. We got a table. We got electricity. We got electricity. You got 50 amp, 30 amp, and 20 amp.
Cool.
The campsite number is 152.
And right across the street is the restrooms and laundry room. But it's closed down for the season, so we have to walk all the way over there to Loop D, and it works. And by the way, this is Loop C. And there's garbage cans over there, and there's a bunch of rabbits running around. And for once, the weather is perfect. I really wish that toilet worked. Go take a dump over there right now. So there's the campsite, and there's the building. And guess who's carrying all the laundry?
Right now we're at Loop D, the only one that's open for camper services. Laundry, shower, bathroom. But the coin machine is not working. Good thing we have our quarters. Let's do laundry because we didn't do laundry in the last 6 days. More than a week.
We got 3 washing machines, 1's broken, and 3 dryers, all working. You got a question?
Yes.
Who wants the internet?
Me. Wait, I want to show you something.
What?
Look, I made this by myself.
Show me.
You see this ice cream?
Yep.
Wait there.
What? This is a triple ice cream.
This is my favorite.
Let's go hook up some internet. Let's hook up the power. You guys see that light right there? That means we got power. Starlink cable, got the Starlink, just like that. Boom. All right, give it about 5-10 minutes and we should have some high-speed internet. Thank you, Elon Musk. One more thing, I want to show you guys something. Check it out, guys. I got 5 of these. These are Blade and Bow, and they are numbered 1 through 5. All right, so when we travel in Indiana from north to south, we're gonna end up in Louisville, and this distillery is in Louisville. And if you have all 5 keys, you're a part of the 5 key club. See, look at it. You guys see that number? Let me see. See number 5 there? Yep, the key is wrapped around the top like that, just like that. Key number 1, fat pour after a long day of driving. Cheers.
Okay, good night. Have a good day tomorrow, and peace out.